Hi, in this video of Vedic maths technique, we will be seeing a technique to multiply two numbers which are near to the base, near to the powers of 10, like near to 10, 100, 1000 and so on. We will see how to multiply such numbers very quickly using the Vedic maths technique. So let us move ahead. This method is called the base method of multiplication. Okay, so suppose you have two numbers, say two very big numbers 999998, and you have to multiply it by 999997, for example. So if you apply your traditional approach, it's going to take you a lot of time to solve this question. Okay, but using this base method of multiplication, we can perform such big multiplication in just 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so the first thing to learn here is, what do we mean by the bases? What is base? The standard base in Vedic maths are the powers of 10. So you can have base as 10, 100, 1000 and so on. We will not be seeing the non-standard bases in this particular video. The second thing which you have to remember to apply this method is that the two numbers which you are multiplying should be near to the base mentioned above. Okay, and the third part is that the answer which we will get will be in two parts. The left part we will refer to it as LHS, and the right part will be referred to as RHS. Fine. So let us learn this technique through an example. You have to perform the multiplication of two numbers when they are below the base. So let us take some easy numbers first. Say we have to multiply 98 with 97. Correct? So first thing is to identify the base. The base which we see here is 10 to the power 2, which is 100. Okay. The second thing is to figure out the differences of the number from the base. Figure out the differences of the two numbers from the base. Okay. So we see that 98 is 2 less than 100. So we write a -2 because it is 2 deficient. And 97 is 3 less than 100. So we have written the differences here. Okay. Now your third step is to multiply the differences. In our case, the differences are -2 and -3. So we will be multiplying -2 and -3 to get a +6. I have told you that the answer will be in two parts. This will be the LHS part and this will be the RHS part. Now the fourth thing which you have to see is number of zeros in the base will be equal to number of digits in RHS, or maybe other way around. I should say that number of digits in RHS is same as number of zeros in the base. Okay. So now how many zeros are there in our base? Our base is 100 and the number of zeros here are 2. So this means that the number of digits in RHS should be 2, 1 digit and 2 digit. On multiplication, we have just got 1 digit, so we'll put a 0 here. Okay, now our aim is to find the LHS. So how do we find the LHS? To find LHS, perform cross operation. What do you mean by cross operation? Let us see. So you do either 98 minus 3 or you do 97 minus 2. You will see that in both the cases you will get the same answer. So you have to do any one of it, either 98 minus 3 or 97 minus 2, which gives you a 95. Okay, so we see that the product of 98 and 97 is 9506. Isn't this method quite simple and very quick? Let us take one more example in which we will deal with little bigger numbers and see how this method works. Okay, so let the two numbers here be 9998 into 9999. So the first thing is to identify the base. Base will be 10,000. Okay, we'll figure out the difference. So 9998 is 2 less than 10,000, the base, and 9999 is 1 less than 10,000. What is our next step? Is to multiply the bases. So minus 2 into minus 1 gives you a 2. We need to figure out how many digits will be there in the right hand side of the answer. So let us count the number of zeros. The number of zeros are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there should be 4 digits in the RHS. We have just 1 digit, so we'll put 3 zeros in front of 2. And now we have to perform the cross operation. So we will do this. So 9998 minus 1 gives you 9997. The same you will see if you subtract 9999 minus 2, you still get 9997. So you see that the product of this is 99970002. You saw how quickly we get the answer to such big multiplication. So this base method of multiplication is a wonderful contribution by Vedic maths. Okay, now there can be different scenarios. We have seen the scenario in which the numbers are less than the base. Okay, there can be a scenario in which the numbers are greater than the base. One number is greater than the base, the other number is less than the base, or maybe the two numbers are nearer to different bases. These are all the different kind of scenarios which can be handled by this base method of multiplication. So each of these scenarios we will handle it separately in different videos. So our next video will focus on how to multiply two numbers which are nearer to the base and it is more than the base. I hope this technique is clear to everyone. Please practice as much as you can this technique and it will definitely help you in performing the calculations really fast. If you have any doubts regarding this approach, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.